Yes, I like the concept because the concept is really good. Here we are using animations, we are using pictures, we are using experienced teachers who will be giving the knowledge to the students through video teaching. And video teaching is really helpful for the students because it will help them retain the knowledge for long period of time, because they are seeing the pictures, they are connecting the content as well as the pictures along with it. So this is really really helping the students to develop a great what do you say, great interest towards the towards education. If you see the curriculum of the various boards, they are having the same curriculum for so many years, and then the same textbooks, the same pictures. So students life is actually a burden. They have to get up early, they have to go to school, they have to do the school work in the school, then they have to come back. They have a lot of homework. After doing homework also, they have to do the go to classes where what the teachers do, actually the parents also don't know. They go to big coaching classes where the parents have to pay a lot of money. But what is the output of it? There is no output, because parents themselves don't know what their students go there and what they do, whether they are going actually to the class or not, or they are bunking the class. So these all things where the parents have to worry about the classes and all that will be solved, because the education itself comes on your TV, and the edit box, which we call it as, will no more be called as the edit box, because we will get the education through the TV channel, that is the Study Spectrum TV channel, which will be giving the which will be delivering lectures with the help of the experienced teachers. And then the teachers will also help, there will be also a repeat telecast of each and every lecture, so that one example I can give you. One thing has happened when I went to take admission of my nephew. It was a late admission to the classes. I asked about the portion which was actually being covered before in May. So they said, since it is a late admission, we can't help the student for the chapters which are already covered. So that this was the answer, and I was shocked to listen, because of course they are taking the same fees, but they are not providing him the they are not helping him in the previous chapters which he has actually missed because of some or other reason he has taken the late admission. So this is what is done. But here in the TV channel, we can have the repeat telecast of the same chapters, and there will be doubt solving sessions also. Then there will be question and answers session also, where the students can go through the question and answers, they can understand the question and answers properly. So this concept of Study Spectrum TV channel is really helping the students and helping the parents also, because the parents who are paying a lot of money in the coaching classes, they don't need to spend a lot in the classes, because we will have the classes at home only on the TV. The mother inside the kitchen can also supervise whether the child is really going through it or studying or not. And it is helping the child also, because the animations are used, the various effective pictures are used, and the teachers which are there, they are really experienced, having their thorough knowledge in the subject. So keep watching Study Spectrum TV channel.